Hello guys and girls, welcome to LetsMasterCS. Today we will be starting a course on coding preparation for interviews using C++. So let's begin. First we will set up our environment similar to online coding IDEs. We will be using Sublime text instead of VS Code, but you can stick to VS Code as it will not affect your coding logic. Now go to sublimetext.com and press download for Windows. After you have installed it, follow these steps. This is my folder structure I am following. I am keeping the configuration files in the config folder and source code in the src folder. Now let's create a new folder. Let's name it as arrays. Then inside that folder, create folders for each separate program. Now let's create a sample code to test our setup. Save the file as main.cpp. Now click on Tools and go to Build System. We will be creating a new build system for competitive programming. Now type the following code. I hope that you have installed the GCC compiler in your system, or else see our video on GCC compiler installing. The link is provided in the description. Here we are using C++ 14, but you can change it to the later versions like 17 or 20. So this is your program, and 1.in contains the test cases. The 1.out file will contain your program's output. Now save the file as cp.sublime-build. Now you can see that your build has appeared. Now we will be creating a build for automatic testing. Type the following command and save it as btcp.sublime-build. Now you will be needing an extra file which will contain the code to test your output against your desired output. This is a batch script which takes all input in a loop and generates output as per your code. The %% means the input file name, and %%tilde_nf means the file name without its extension. So we are using .in files for input, .out files for output, and .txt files for comparison. The fc command is used to compare two files. If error level is 0, then it means that both files have same content. After the script has ended execution, it will pause. Now save it as autotest.bat. You can keep this file in the build folder and copy it each time whenever you want to perform automatic testing. Now let's create our input file. The first line is the size of the array and the next line is the array. Save it as 1.in. Now go to View, then click on Layout, then click on Columns 4. This will create 4 columns. Now go to Groups and then click on Max Columns 2. As you can see, there are 2 columns, and in the second column there are 3 rows. Here you can organize your input and output files. I am keeping input at first, the output at second, and at the last the desired output. Now let's create a sample program to print max of an array. Now let's run our code. As you can see, our output has matched the desired output. Now let's perform the automatic testing. Click on btcp. From the build, it will run our autotest.bat. Select the btcp from build and build your code. It will run the autotest.bat file. As expected, our code has passed the first test case. Now let's create another input file and the desired output file. As you can see, both the test cases have passed. Now let's see our output. So as you can see, we got the desired output. So in this video, we have learned how to set up Sublime Text for interview preparation and competitive coding. And also we have tested it with our sample code. In upcoming videos, we will be seeing popular array questions that are asked in online tests and interviews. Please like our video if you liked it and comment down your thoughts. We will be happy to help. And if you are new, then subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to receive notification as soon as we release a new video. So stay tuned for our next video. Till then, peace.